Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best permanent magnet generators. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Ever been in a situation where the power goes out for hours, or even days? Your lights are off, your tools stop working, and everything just comes to a halt. Now imagine having a compact generator that can bring power back anytime, anywhere, even without the grid. This is the OLONETO 3500W, a 7000W permanent magnet generator, a belt-driven brushless generator designed for portable and backup power use with gasoline or diesel engines. High output range, supports 3500W to 7000W power generation depending on setup. Pure copper winding for better conductivity and improved efficiency. Brushless permanent magnet designed for lower maintenance and longer lifespan. Belt-driven system allows flexible engine compatibility, gasoline or diesel. 220V output suitable for common household appliances and tools. Compact and portable design compared to traditional heavy generators. Multi-use capability, lighting, small workshop tools, camping setups, emergency backup. Pros: strong power output for its size. Versatile fuel compatibility. Low maintenance due to brushless design. Good efficiency with copper winding. Cons: requires separate engine, not a standalone generator. Belt system needs proper alignment and maintenance. Real output depends heavily on engine quality. Not ideal for sensitive electronics without stabilizer. This is best for users who need DIY generator setups, rural households, small workshops, or outdoor/camping power solutions. It's ideal if you already have an engine and want to build a custom power system. At around $289, it offers strong raw power potential, but the real value depends on your setup quality. For DIY users, it can be a cost-effective power solution. Number 4. This is the OLONETO 3500W 220V permanent magnet brushless generator, a belt-driven power generator designed for gasoline or diesel engines, built for home backup and portable energy use. 3500W output power suitable for home backup and light tools. Permanent magnet brushless design for low maintenance and longer life. Pure copper coil for better efficiency and stable power delivery. Belt-driven system allows flexible connection with gasoline or diesel engines. 220V output compatible with common household appliances. Compact structure, easier to install in DIY generator setups. Suitable for lighting, camping, and emergency residential backup. Pros: efficient copper winding for stable performance. Works with both gasoline and diesel engines. Low maintenance brushless design. Budget-friendly entry-level generator head. Cons: requires external engine, not a complete generator unit. Output depends on engine quality and setup. Belt system needs proper alignment and regular checks. Not ideal for heavy industrial loads. Perfect for DIY users, small households, rural areas, and camping setups. Ideal for people who already own an engine and want a low-cost backup power solution. At around $226, it's a budget-friendly option for a 3500W generator head. Great value if you can pair it with the right engine and set up properly. Number 3. This is the EODSAD 1500W permanent magnet synchronous generator, a low RPM AC/DC alternator designed for small-scale power generation and DIY energy systems. 1500W output capacity suitable for small power applications. Low RPM permanent magnet design for efficient energy generation at lower speeds. Dual-phase AC output with AC/DC compatibility. 14V output system ideal for battery charging setups. Compact and lightweight design, around 5.95 pounds. Silicon rectifier included for AC to DC conversion. Suitable for small wind, hydro, or manual/engine-driven DIY systems. Stable magnetic power generation with minimal maintenance. Pros: very affordable price for a 1500W generator head. Works well for DIY renewable energy projects. Lightweight and easy to install. Low RPM efficiency makes it useful in wind or slow engines. Cons. Low voltage, 14V, limits direct household use. Requires additional components, battery, inverter, for home power. Not suitable for heavy appliances. Build quality may vary depending on usage conditions. Best for DIY enthusiasts, solar/wind energy hobbyists, and people building small off-grid battery charging systems. Ideal for learning or experimental renewable setups, not for full home backup. At just around $42, this is a very budget-friendly generator head. Great value for small projects, but its real usefulness depends on how well you integrate it into a full energy system, battery plus controller plus inverter. Number 2. This is the EODSAD 1500W Permanent Magnet Alternator Generator, a low RPM AC/DC PMA system designed for small-scale power generation in DIY energy projects. 1500W rated output for small power in charging applications. 14V low-voltage system suitable for battery charging setups. Permanent magnet synchronous design for efficient low RPM generation. Built-in voltage stabilizer for more stable output control. Single-phase AC/DC output flexibility for different setups. Ultra-lightweight design at around 4.77 pounds. Ideal for wind turbines, small engines, or DIY renewable systems. Silicon rectifier included for AC to DC conversion support. Pros. Very affordable and beginner-friendly. Lightweight and easy to mount in DIY projects. Built-in stabilizer improves output consistency. Works well at low RPM, good for wind or small engines. Cons. Only 14V output, not suitable for direct home appliance use. Requires battery/inverter system for practical household power. Limited power capacity, 1500W max. Not ideal for heavy loads or continuous high demand. Perfect for DIY builders, off-grid hobby projects, wind or small hydro experiments, and battery charging systems. Best for learning and small backup setups, not full home power. At just around $41.99, it's a very budget-friendly generator head. Excellent value for experimental or small renewable setups, but real-world usefulness depends on a proper battery and inverter system. Number 1. This is the OLONETO 3.5 kW a 7 kW permanent magnet generator, 7000W model, a belt-driven 220V brushless generator head designed for home and commercial backup power systems. High output range, supports 3.5 kW/5 kW/7 kW depending on setup. 220V AC output suitable for home appliances and lighting. Pure copper wire winding for better efficiency and stable power. Brushless permanent magnet designed for low maintenance and long lifespan. Built-in voltage regulator for more stable output control. Belt-driven system for flexible engine compatibility, gasoline or diesel. Automatic idle control feature for improved fuel efficiency. Compact generator head design for DIY or semi-professional setups. Pros. High power potential up to 7000W. Low maintenance brushless design. Stable output with voltage regulation. Flexible use with different engines. Cons. Not a complete generator, engine required separately. Real output depends heavily on engine quality and setup. Belt system needs proper alignment and maintenance. Some listings show inconsistent specs, verify before buying. Best for rural homes, small businesses, workshops, and DIY users who want a customizable backup power system. Ideal if you already have a gasoline or diesel engine and need a powerful generator head. At around $359, it sits in the mid-range DIY generator category. Good value for high power output potential, but the real performance depends on your engine and installation quality. If you found this helpful, check the link in the description for details and pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more generator and power backup reviews.